Hey guys, we're back with another episode, and I know what y'all thinking. It looks a bit further up. Oh, actually, I don't really know. But, in my other video, I found out that it kind of messed up, and it couldn't record anymore because I had a... Sorry, lady. I found... Yeah, that guy. I found out that, it couldn't record very much, so I was kind of in a heap of trouble right there. Huh? I don't know why that did that. So I was kind of in a heap of trouble. I couldn't really get the original... Well, no, I think I still have the same... Oh, shit. You can say that again, man. Ole, bole, 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 bole. There we go. And there were some javelin spears. I could sell that for some money. There's another line rack. I'm gonna get this, and I'm gonna... No, can't. Well, screw you then. Wait, what the... Conduit room. I heard that there was like a little beginner game that you could play where, that's unlocked. Why is it unlocked? Standby. Wait, what was that? Wait, did I don't remember if I played this part originally or not. Oh, sup, man. Oh, no. Sorry. You're pathetic. Oh, say hello to my language. Oh, give me $1 to make me holla, and I know that from Honey Boo Boo. So, I don't care what y'all think about. Wait. Yeah. Let's heal myself up. Wait, what is that? Ooh, a gold semiconductor. Stomp ya. What? Oh, no, 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 no! Damn it! Give me what you have. What's that? Oh, another line rack. There we go. Another javelin spear. Okay, yeah, this was the part right here. Around this part, this is where I stopped on another video that I was making, and I couldn't make it. But, oh yeah. That's creepy. That's creepy. Hello? What? Great putting in that. Stasis packs, okay. Is there any more crap? Hello? Hello? I need to reload this. Hello? Hello? Oh. Oh. Man, that would be cool if video games can actually get you money. You know that? It'd be so cool if you can just get rich by just playing video games. And you know what? This is what they do with YouTube and all that stuff. They... basically, you get the chance of becoming a rich person. Just... Crap! I hate those bat things! Oh, God, there's so many tentacles everywhere. That's what she said. Ah! You freaking bastard! No! Son of a bitch. Reload that. I know only have... that's gross. Don't finger me. You know you got the little stubby arms, bastard. I should have upgraded this more. How many notes do I have? 0 notes. Okay, that's great. Should grab lots of crap while I'm in here. Should grab lots of crap. You know, I think I should have played the first game. You know what? Maybe after this, after I finish Dead Space 2, I'll go buy that game and I'll just play it. Because I heard you get a lot of extra stuff just by doing it. And when I mean a lot of extra stuff, I mean crap, dude. You get like a crap load of stuff, like from just playing the first game. Shots, come on, thigh. Jesus, both. Bully, 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 bully. Ball, 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 ball. Oh, God. Get out of my way! I want this big spear. Whoa! Where are you gonna come out? Where are you gonna come out? You gonna be behind me? Ah! I dropped my spear. Oh, look! My spear is right there! It's in my face! Oh, God! And a boosh! And boosh! Pressing A! I'm pressing A! I'm pressing A! Oh, balls. Son of a barrel, son of a barrel! Okay. No! You freaking exploder! Give me your goodies. Give me all your goodies. That's stasis packs. There's someone behind me! Leg shot! I knew it! Someone was behind me! Okay. I got a bad feeling, guys. This doesn't look right! I knew it! I knew it! I freaking knew it! Figure it out! Get it out! You, that hurts! That hurts a lot! That hurts a lot! It's... Ah, crapper! Ah, crap! Who wants some Britney Spears? Who wants some Britney Spears? What? You want some Britney Spears? What? Grab! Grab! Oh! Oh no! It's transforming! Transformers, it's coming! It's turning into Exploditron! It just couldn't... It couldn't turn, so it just blew itself up and committed suicide.
Yeah, I need a new route.
What happened? I thought we lost you.
Unscheduled stop. Where am I?
How did you end up there? Hang on. This won't be the most pleasant route, but it'll get you to the Cassini Towers residential.
The Cassini Towers. I keep thinking it's...
Try the nitrous signal again. Keep moving.
Okay.
You're very important. Hold tight.
Thanks. You know, sometimes I don't really know if anybody's hearing what this... Well, this game mostly has a lot of stuff happening, so you always think you're hearing stuff. Look, I'm like stepping on fire and nothing's happening. Well, that's what you get when you have suits. Suits. What do I have? Stasis packs, pulse rifle. Ah, that's a really good gun. Okay, I'm supposed to go over there, but, you know, it doesn't hurt just looking around. Like, you find line racks, more line racks. No, you know what, I don't really give a shit about the other stuff. $1,000. More line racks. Right now, the line gun is sort of like my, one-kill weapon. Okay. Okay, you know what, I think I have to pause it right here. This is kind of short right here, but, anyway, see y'all in the next episode, and, bye.